Hey everyone, welcome to Totally Dazzled. My name is Susie Lee and I'm with Lina Boutique. Come on in. Okay, so let's get to getting. Let me show you what we got here. Tonight we've got a thrift flip going on here. Was unsure what I wanted to do because I got some great items at the Swag Maker event. But this is from the thrift store. Look at how pretty this is. When I bought this, I thought, there's not much you could do to it. It's so pretty. What will I do with it? And I've had it for probably a year and a half or so. But I love this piece. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop out the glass on the back. So, all right, I'm going to flip this back over. We're going to hold on to that. We're going to hold. I clean the mirror nice so that we can write on it later. I'm going to zhuzh this up. It's been cleaned and wiped and dusted and all of the things. But what I want to do with it is I want to bling it. I want to bling some of the insides here of the lace. Can you see how pretty that looks? I'm going to be using the SS10 in the amber color. I'm going to be using this gorgeous piece from my friend Linda Greenway's Totally Dazzled Circle Heart Creations pack. This was, I believe this was one of hers. I'm pretty sure it was. I'm going to be using this on some of this Formflex. This is a Formflex casting that I got. And I'm going to put them in one of these little trays like that. Now see what happens? You just shake them and they turn up. I've got a little rhinestone applicator pen right here, my very own. I'm going to go in the middle of these little lace flowers. I'm not going to worry so much here because we're going to put, I've got a cute little casting here that I got also from Tammy that I'm going to put at the bottom of this, but we're going to paint them and we're going to highlight them with some metallics and make them beautiful. Okay, so we've got this gorgeous amber stone. I love the amber stone because it lends itself to an antique look. I'm going to set this aside just for a minute, but I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to show you just how pretty adding those little tiny elements on there made that frame. It's just so cute. Now you can go nuts on this if you want. All right, so we're going to take this piece and set it aside for a minute. I'm going to let it kind of set up a little bit because I want to do the sides. I want to do the sides in this this sticky bling that I get on Amazon. This is an Aurora Borealis. And I'm going to go all the way around the edge of it and glam this bad boy up. So what I want to do here is I want to take these two castings that I got from the Formflex. I'm going to take that and this piece. Look at how pretty and intricate that is. But I have a little bit of wet down in this Valspar mousse when one mousse is not enough. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go down deep inside this. I'm going to get a little baby wipe first of all. First of all, we're going to do a little baby wipe. I'm going to get in here with a kind of a mop brush is what this is. It's kind of what they call like a mop brush. And I am going to slightly wet it and then I'm going to wipe it down. I'm going to squeeze it out. And then I'm going to get in here and I'm going to get this glaze all goobered up and raisinets. And I'm going to go in here with this little placket like this. Get in here and give it the once over. That it totally changed the look of it just in one little swipe of the brush. I'm going to do the same thing to this gorgeous crown. Wipe it back a little bit. It's pretty dry for the most part. We're going to bring back the frame. Okay. And this piece is going to go down here. That's why I didn't put any of the bling there. And this piece is going to go right up top. Okay, a little tight bond, quick and thick. I'm just going to place this right smack in the middle, like that. You see how the top kind of goes up over, so I didn't need all of that extra glue. I'm gonna hold it up just a little bit. I don't want to hold it too much because it'll slide. It'll SOS. But look at how pretty. It took that little simple frame and made it a little piece of artwork, right? Loving it. I'm gonna set it aside for a second because we're gonna do the edges as well. I'm gonna take my little frame here. This is a gold writing pen. Okay, so what we're gonna put here at the bottom of this frame is the word, I'm gonna hand letter, hello. That's the bones of the word. You're seeing just the bones of the word there. But you can see it says hello, hello gorgeous. All right. Instead of putting it inside the hole, because this is, I mean, ever so slightly smaller, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some gold paint. I'm gonna go around the perimeter of this and I'm gonna adhere the mirror to the center. A little bit of E6000. It doesn't take much, I just need a little bit. Hello, gorgeous, right? How pretty is that? We need to bling this bad boy up, and we're gonna add a little bit of that gold. I'm gonna add just a touch of it over top of, I don't have any, I don't have enough of my antique gold. I don't think I do. Really pretty. See how pretty that just hits the high points there? So I'm going to go ahead and dip my brush into this, and I'm gonna kind of play with it here and dry brush it. I'm gonna go very lightly. Okay, the reason I didn't put a lot of paint in the middle here is because that's gotta adhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the B7000, and on all of these little high points here, all along the metal, all the high points, I'm going to hit all the way around. Oh, how lovely did that turn out, okay? I love that. That's stunning. All right, then right down here on this little placket, I've got this gorgeous Totally Dazzled Antique Bronze Bow. I love the antique bronze. It is my fave. All right, I've got this that I got from Amazon, Bling on a roll, and it's very, very sticky, and it goes very quick. You just peel it and stick it on there. You know, you want to make it really super glammy. Just give it a little something, a little pizzazz, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I hope you do too. I hope you enjoyed this. And I hope you enjoyed this. Let me just show you one more time this beautiful piece that we created from a thrift store frame. I think it turned out lovely and form flex and totally dazzled. I'm loving it. I hope you enjoyed this.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.